We'll only need the watch itself and a flathead screwdriver in order to do this. To tighten it up, all we have to do is just unhatch this part right here and just slide it up or down depending on if you want to make it looser or tighter. So if you want to make it tighter, we'll bring it up the band. If you want to make it looser, we'll bring it further to the end of the band. So just take your flathead screwdriver. It works better if you have a smaller one, but we're going to put it in this little hole right here and then just pop it up. All right, once you pop it up, you can slide it in whichever desired place you would like it. You may have to test it out a couple times. All right, there we go. That's pretty much the gist of it, y'all. But if you're interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But for this video, that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.